So guys, first you want to type in disk part and then click on enter. Now you want to type in list space disk and then click on enter again. Now you want to select your Windows boot drive. For me it's going to be disk 0. You're going to know which disk is which by the size. So type in select space disk space and then the number of your Windows boot drive. For me it's going to be 0. I'm going to type in select disk 0. Type in your number and then click on enter. And now you want to type in list space volume, click on enter. You want to select your system volume. Under label, it's going to be saying system for you right here. It doesn't say it for me, but in your case, it should be saying system. You want to select that volume. There may also be a chance that it's volume 2 if it doesn't say anything for you here. In my case, I'm going to select volume 2. I'm going to type in select space volume space. Select the volume which has system right here under label. For me, it's going to be select volume 2. I'm going to type in the number 2 and then click on enter. Next, you want to type in assign space letter equals Z and then click on enter again. And now you want to type in exit and then click on enter. Next, you want to type in bcd boot space c colon / windows space / s space z colon space / f space all and then click on enter. Next, you want to type in bootsect space / nt60 space sys and then click on enter again. And the problem should be fixed. You should be able to type in Bootrec space / Fixboot. Click on enter and it should be working now. That's how you do it. By the way, another thing you could do is you can type in bootsect space / nt60 space sys only. So just type in this, forget all the other commands, and then see if that works for you.